This is slime. See? This is jelly slime. But I don't jelly slime. Hello, my new basketball. Yeah, that's all my rubbish. Yeet. This is from my old slime. Not this, cause it's grey. This is black slime. And how would I be magic? I couldn't just change the black slime into here. Or change it to this. Coke. This is Coke. Okay, this is what it looks like at the bottom. Ooh, it fell. Because I can make this. And Aaliyah, if you're watching this, yep, I am right. I do make slime. Wait, I am right. I do make slime. So yeah. Well, this is one of my old ones, but I can't show you all my other ones because I did mixing all my slime, but I never took a video of it. Nope, I didn't. Oh, I almost dropped the camera. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's closed. There, that's as close as I can get. Yeah, can you see that? I've got this. This is my last slime, so yeah, this is my favorite one, cause yeah. Okay, lift it up. See, you can tell that it's slack. See, plus it's pokey. See, it's not clay, cause see, it's not a clay slime. Well, it's not. Oh, it's not clay, because clay doesn't really stretch like this. Literally. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today, and I hope you like it. Bye.